Hi students, today we shall be doing worksheet number 4 of narration. As you know, in the earlier video, I made you complete the first 5 parts. Today we shall be beginning with the next part, part G. Let's start doing it. This is our worksheet, rest part. Let's start from the F1. The worried father said to his son, "Which train have you boarded? Have you checked your ticket number?" Here, the worried father said to his son. Said to gets changed into questioned. So we may write asked also. As you know, this worksheet relates with the interrogative types of sentences. And in interrogative types of sentences, when reporting verb is said or said to, it changes into maybe inquired, questioned, asked, according to the type of sentence given. So we'll be using here questioned. His son, then question word remains same, no change in it. Which train? Next, our sentence, this is in present perfect tense, so change it into past perfect tense. Which train he had boarded, and change pronoun also, you into he. As I explained you in the earlier worksheet, all the rules, whenever it is you, we change according to the object of the reporting speech. So he, past perfect tense, and again this is next part of the sentence. Join it by using asked as a reporting verb, and asked here our reported speech isn't beginning with question word, so use if, change pronoun he, then present perfect into past perfect. If he had checked his ticket number. So the worried father questioned his son which train he had boarded and asked if he had checked his ticket number. Right. Next is the manager said to the candidate, "What are your qualifications? In what way can you benefit our company?" So here said to gets changed into inquired, as the manager is inquiring about the qualifications of the candidate. So suitable word is inquired. So reporting verb will be this one. The manager inquired the candidate. No change in the question word. What? So change in the pronoun his according to the rules. Then are. This is our present tense. So change it into past. For after, right, but after the subject. What his qualifications were. The next part of the sentence join with and in what way, again question word, no change in it, and in what way, change pronoun, you into he, and can into could, and with modal we use first form of the verb, why he could, in what way he could benefit their company. So change pronoun, our, it's a plural, so change into their company. The manager inquired the candidate what his qualifications were and in what way he could benefit their company. Next is, Remy said, "Monica, how did you like the state of Florida? If given a chance, would you like to go there again?" Remy said Monica. So change it. Change the reporting verb into questioned. Remy questioned Monica. No change in question word. How? Only change in pronoun. So she instead of you, use the rule and change the pronoun. How she, and this is past form of the verb given. Did is past form. So change it into past perfect tense. How she had, this is our verb change. In past perfect, had and third form of the verb comes. She had liked the state of Florida. And further asked, again a new statement, and further asked if given a chance. So here again there is no question word. So whenever no question word, use if. If given a chance, the same will be she would. Change pronoun, would remains would, no change in it. If she would like to go there again. Right. Next is, my mother asked me, "What happened to your hand? Why is it bandaged? Did you fall from the bicycle? Does it hurt?" Here, asked remains asked, no change in it. My mother asked me, "What happened to my hand?" Only change in pronoun, no change in the question word. The next is and, join it. No change in the question word. Why? Change present into past. This is present, change into past. Why? It was bandaged. Then this is again past, change it into past perfect. this is past question. So change it in past perfect statement, simple statement. And further asked if he had fallen. If so mother is asking me, so if I had fallen from the bicycle and again no, there is no question word, use if, and if it hurt. Hurt remains hurt, as the past form of hurt is also hurt. Next is Rahul's friend asked him, why did you leave your job? Didn't they pay you well? Weren't you happy doing that job? Will you look for a new job now? So here, asked remains asked, no change. Rahul's friend asked him, why? Question word remains same. Then this is did, past tense, so change it into past perfect tense. So why, change in pronoun according to the rules. So why he had left, had and third form of the verb in past perfect tense. Why he had left, change pronoun according to the rules. Why he had left his job. Next part of the sentence, and further asked, as the same person is asking, further asked, use of if, no question word is there. If, so they remains they according to the rules. If they, and this is did, past tense, change into past perfect, use rules, had and third form of the verb, pay into paid, and this is negative. If they hadn't paid him well. Next is weren't you happy doing their job? Was and were, if it is there, they change into had been. So use of if, as it is not, our reported speech isn't beginning with question word. So use if he hadn't been happy doing that job, and join this again to this one, use change pronoun, and if he, will into would, if he would look for a new job then, now changes into then. This is a time expression word, it changes into